Good morning, girls. As you all have studied about digestive system and respiratory system in the previous classes, today I will take up circulatory system. Girls, do you know the meaning of circulation? Okay, I will tell you. Circulation means movement of any fluid inside a closed system. As you all are aware that blood is present inside our body, it is a fluid and it keeps moving inside our body and reaching each and every part of our body. So in circulatory system we are going to learn about the circulation of blood inside our body. There are three main organs of the circulatory system. Number one is the blood, number two is the heart, and number three, blood vessels. First, I will take up blood. Blood is a red colored fluid present inside your body. It keeps moving from one part to another part, and the function of the blood is to carry oxygen and nutrients to each and every part of your body. The second organ is the heart. Heart is the main organ of the circulatory system. The heart is present inside your chest, on the left side of your chest, in between the two lungs. Heart is a very soft internal organ and it is protected by the rib cage. Children, now keep your hand on the left side of your chest and feel the heartbeat. Can you hear the heartbeat? A normal human heart beats about 72 times in 1 minute. The function of the heart is to pump blood to each and every part of our body. The heart is like a pumping machine, just like a motor pump in your houses which pumps water to the taps in your houses. The heart pumps blood continuously and constantly. If the heart stops, what will happen? If the heart stops beating, we will die. The third organ of the circulatory system is the blood vessels. Blood vessels are like tubes present beneath your skin and they carry blood to each and every part of your body. Blood vessels are of three types: veins, arteries, and the capillaries. The veins are thin walled tubes present all over your body, and the function of the veins is to bring deoxygenated blood back to the heart from the capillaries. Veins appear blue in color. What is deoxygenated blood? Deoxygenated blood is the blood which carries carbon dioxide. As you all are aware that carbon dioxide is produced in the process of digestion. The carbon dioxide gas is a harmful gas for your body and needs to be removed from your body. So veins carry deoxygenated blood or the blood carrying of carbon dioxide to the heart, and the heart pumps this deoxygenated blood to the lungs, and from the lungs this carbon dioxide is removed from your body through the nose. Now we come to the arteries. Arteries are thick walled blood vessels. They are like tubes and they are also present beneath your skin. The arteries appear red in color and the function of arteries is to carry oxygenated blood from the heart to each and every part of our body. Now we come to the capillaries. Capillaries are very thin, fine, thread-like tubes present beneath the skin. They are thinner than the veins, and the function of the capillaries is to carry the blood to each and every cell of our body part. So, I will repeat it once more. The three main organs of the circulatory system are the blood, the heart, and the blood vessels. Blood vessels are of three types: veins, arteries, and the capillaries. Veins appear blue in color and they bring deoxygenated blood back to the heart. Arteries are red in color and they carry oxygenated blood from the heart to all parts of your body. Capillaries are very thin and fine thread like tubes which carry blood to each and every cell of your body. Now you have to do the work in your fair notebooks, whatever is given in the picture. Thank you.